everyone. This is Yashika. I hope everyone is doing good. And a beautiful Sunday evening has started with a bang. So, today my topic will be on the clarity, discipline, and the consistency. So, basically, it's always start with the clarity. Why we do what we do, and what we do is how we do. And so basically it's always about purpose of life. Why, like if we are here today in this Sunday evening, so why we are here? There is some purpose that we wanted to grow in the life, in whatever area, in the self development, in the self growth, or any other enhancement we are looking for in our life. So we are here and we are catching all those points. So the clarity of life should be really very important, and that clarity will come with the purpose. And the second point, you should have a emotional attachment towards what you want in your life. So if I'll talk about, like, I'm here making this platform, like making all the videos and all live sessions, and today I'm here speaking in this book club. So there is some purpose in back of my mind why I'm doing all those stuff. Is because I wanted to grow in my life. I wanted to impact maximum of the people's life. That is my purpose, and that is my emotional attachment, which actually wanted me to grow in my life. How I'll send the message if I'm not doing anything? So, like, we all say leader leads from the front. So if I'll ask you to do one small exercise, just take out your finger, do it like that, everyone, please, and just put it on your head. Hello. So everyone just take out your finger and just put it on your head. So maximum of the people put it over here, right? It's why? Because I put it over here, not here. But I said to put it on the head. So it's always start with what you do is what people follow, is not what you say people will follow. So it's always about think, act, and then communicate the message you wanted to communicate exactly in the same manner you want the result you will get. So the clarity, you do what you do is the message. Like I wanted to say, your purpose, your emotional attachment, your what you do, you have to act in that manner. Like whatever you're doing, you should first do in the same manner. So once the clarity is clear, that you know the purpose of what you do, then the actual discipline will come in the picture. So if I'll ask about the discipline, like you have to maintain a proper calendar. In my previous talk, time management, I've covered that how you can actually maintain your calendar, how you can maintain that discipline in your life of whatever you do. For example, if I wanted to travel to Delhi, or if I wanted to travel to Mumbai or Bangalore or any other place, so first of all, I have to be very clear why I wanted to go in that place. Then the discipline, of course, it will come how I'll reach to that place. Either I can travel by bus, either I can travel by car, or I can travel by any other moto. But by how and my discipline will be there, like I have to reach that place at that particular time. And so that purpose, like some of the speakers has covered in so many talks, how you can actually get the discipline out of life. You have to maintain proper calendar, you have to maintain the golden circle of why, how, and what. The ability of what you do will only come when you'll maintain all the discipline in your life. And of course, when the discipline will come, you are in the action of putting all the things you are doing. So that is of about how you can do, is the understanding of how will be the greater ability. For example, if I wanted to hire a person in my organization, for my organization, if I wanted to go for the partner, if I'm looking for the shadi or something like that, so my how is very clear, like this kind of a person I want for my organization, then I can go for to hire that person, right? So that is what discipline will come in your thing. And if you are putting all the clear actions, you know why you are doing that, you believe those stuff, then you will put the consistency in that area. Ki what the exact thing will come out in that place. So if I'll talk about two things, so there are two companies of computer. One is the Apple, or one is the any other company you can take. And one company say we make great computers. They are beautifully designed, simple to use, and user friendly. Would you like to buy? And another company say, everything we do, we believe in challenging the purpose. We know the status of what gonna come in the future. We believe thinking differently. The way we challenge the world is by making our product beautifully designed, simple to use for every user, and user friendly, easy handleable. Our cost is very effective as compared to the market cost, and that happened to make our computer the best computer in the market. Now would you like to buy? So I just wanted to know the answer. What computer would you like to buy? The first one, which is say they have great computer, beautiful design, would you like to buy, or the second computer? So most of the people will say and go for the second computer. Why? Because they know exactly why they are into the market, what is the purpose, and why they are serving the people, and what are the action they have put across to do all those stuff. So that is my message for every one of you. Like, you have to be work on that particular circle. Why, how, and what, then only you will get the desired result, whatever you want it in your life. So thank you so much for listening to me. Have a great day, great evening, and stay happy always. Thank you so much.